how to download ClearScore report. If you would like to download ClearScore report, it is actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open your browser and go to app.clearscore.com, which will take you to the official website where you want to make sure to log into your ClearScore account. Now, in my case, I do not have any sort of credit scores, but I will still show you the option that if you have, how you can download them. Now, after that, you open up your website, click on the profile like icon from the top right, and here you can see the option called My Account. Simply click on the My Account button right there, and you'll come to My Account. Over here, you have to scroll down and simply select Request Data Download to be able to request for a download of your credit score. And the data will actually be sent to your email address that you have provided. So you want to make sure that that is the case, and once done, the data will be successfully downloaded to your device. This way you will be able to download ClearScore report. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.